I'm Bruce Tuff, principal of the Tuff Law Firm. We are a full-service law firm serving the greater Woodlands area and the greater Houston area. Contact us at 281-681-0808. We're tough for you.
And now, here's the veteran voice of the legal fix, Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are live from the Lone Star State in Montgomery County, Texas, for a brand new episode of The Legal Fix, a new age radio show presented by the Tuff Law Firm, the toughest law firm in town, with the toughest lawyers around, answering your toughest legal questions. Introducing first, hosting out of the red corner, the big deal, Bruce Colson. Tough, joined by Boy Wonder, Brandon Scott Riley, and super lawyer, G.I. Jerome, the Golden Boy, Jeremy Lee Hall.
Hey, welcome to The Legal Fix. Thank you, Bruce Buffer. I'm the big deal, Bruce Tuff. I'm here with Boy Wonder, Brandon Riley, and the Golden Boy, Jeremy Hall. If you have any questions, call our hotline, 936-900-2381. We have a special edition of The Legal Fix. We are going hot live right now. We're going to have a special episode because we've had so many requests to talk about, guess what? A legal trial that is going on right now. And if you don't know about it, you don't know nothing. All right? Johnny Depp v. Amber Heard. We're going to have the whole show about it.
I'm just going to be honest. I think the assessment trial regarding Hillary Clinton approving the fake dossier is way more important than now.
Tell me about that right now, just so I know about it. He's testified too.
Testified.
He wasn't going to testify. Now he has testified.
And not only did he testify, but he specifically testified that Hillary personally approved the smear campaign and the information in the dossier before it was sent to the FBI. Of course. Did
anyone doubt that?
Well,
is it like a big
no
question?
one had proof of it. So until you could prove it with some kind of testimony like that or other physical evidence, no one was going to acknowledge that it occurred.
And you know, all the Dems are going like this. Thank God for Johnny Depp. Thank God for his trial, because people might be watching the other one that has so much importance about national security and the consequences of a presidential election, and disinformation is being programmed to such a level about the Russian collusion and Trump. It's just incredible. Yeah, but now what are we going to do?
Well, when the truth comes out that late, it doesn't matter.
But
we're going to talk
matter.
about... No,
okay.
It doesn't matter because it's the next news cycle.
That's true, yeah.
But we should also probably talk about Uvalde. Not to steal from all the work Jerome's done, but the shooting in Uvalde.
Oh, God, I'm telling you, that thing that rocked me. And I then am listening to all the pundits. They're going to have a press conference with Senator Cruz, Senator Cornyn, Governor Abbott. And you know what? I got to say something. Look, it's about time. You fix it. You do something about it. This last round, it was like, okay, we're going to take a lot of attention. We're going to go for this. We're going to implement some new safety measures in schools. Oh, you're going to have armed guards. You're going to have to have cops in the schools with metal detectors.
Targets.
Well, I tell you, when I was on the school board, we had security issues that came up, and we refitted all of the schools in Conroe Independent School District to have one point of entry, single, locked doors, and you had to go through 2 check systems before you came in. So you couldn't go in with full body armor in the front end. They would have shut it down, and we would have had people there. But I remember my cousin Norman DeBlaine when that had in Scotland, and he said the whole country surrendered all their guns. I mean, I thought about that today, and I said, but that'll never happen here. We can't, because we don't trust our government. So how are we going to surrender our guns? And then, you know, it's got to be safety measures, and we got to identify these folks that are just absolute crazy. And I can't imagine the horrifying
here's
what people are going. I mean, just it's horrible with young kids. And
my thing is, Joe Biden is the one that proposed and brought forth to the Senate floor the no guns in school legislation. And since then, there's been a drastic increase in gun violence in schools.
Yeah.
And people will say, well, it's a non sequitur, they don't relate. But at the end of the day, I do believe that they relate completely. If you know that you're going to get shot at, you are less likely to go into a place.
That's right.
It's in all the videos. Anytime you see someone try to rob a jewelry store or a convenience store, if someone shoots back, they run.
Yeah, just recently they had a smash and grab, and the employees came out and started fighting guys with hammers and crowbars, and they just came out fist fighting and ran them off. But it's time to just fight back. Everybody's going to fight back. Chicago has the strongest gun laws in the nation and has the worst crime.
Highest gun crime.
New York is gun, and they don't enforce it. So you got all these. You got all these Democrat prosecutors and mayors that won't enforce the laws as they exist anyways. It's just, enforce the damn law. Put these people in jail and put them in forever and don't release them on bond.
Do criminals ever agree and abide by laws, honestly?
Never.
No.
That's why they get out on bond and create another crime. Exactly.
I do want to celebrate this woman, Irma Garcia, sacrificed herself to protect kids in that classroom. What a beautiful story of heroism.
God bless her.
Yeah,
and
her
God
family.
bless the parents and the family. Well,
So,
I am
not to
thoughts
take
and
away,
prayers.
but-
Thoughts and prayers. Now, let's go to Johnny Depp. Let's go to Amber Heard. Jerome has been researching all night. He's sent a lot of material
Feverishly.
for us. He's going to have a special second segment for us. What are you going to do on the second segment?
Yeah, on the first segment, we're going to put you on the hot seat for round 4.
Okay, good.
We're also going to talk about burning questions and by the numbers, some stats. This is called Trial by TikTok by the media.
Yes.
And it's blowing up on social media. The numbers are staggering.
Unbelievable.
We're going to ask questions like who's benefiting, whose lawyers are doing the best job,
Yeah.
and who's winning the war of public opinion. And then we're going to put you on the hot seat.
Right.
Then we've got a true false where you're going to go heads up with Boy Wonder.
Yeah.
And we've got a who done it, Amber
You're gonna
Heard or
lose.
Johnny Depp.
You're
Now,
gonna
do I
lose.
have to even know about the trial? Or
No.
can it all be based on hearsay, which we
It
should
would
talk
be
about,
good
too.
if you knew about
Hearsay.
the trial. All of the answers have citations, so you're not going to want to
God.
BS any of these
Well,
answers.
Well, you got me.
You may have to phone a daughter.
Yeah, I will. Well,
Okay, so real quick before we do
Got
the...
a caller. Got a caller. All right.
Okay.
All right. Hey, who's calling? Welcome, caller.
Welcome to the Legal Fix.
Hi, I'm Ariel.
And your name and
I'm
question
Amanda.
for the experts.
Can you hear us?
Did they hang up?
She's here.
Hello?
Hey, hi there.
Hello?
Welcome to the Legal Fix.
Hi, my name's Ariel, and I'm Amanda. We're sisters, and we've been keeping up with the Johnny Depp and the Amber Heard case. Team Johnny. More like Team Truth.
You're Team Johnny.
Justice for
Wait,
Johnny Depp.
You guys are all Team Johnny. I like
Hashtag
that.
justice for Johnny
Well,
Depp.
I will
Hashtag
say,
me poo.
I will say I like Johnny Depp's position better than Amber Heard. I do like her. So I'm going to put my Johnny Depp up. Boom.
Hey,
So what, do you have a question for us, or do you want to
Yeah,
comment?
I have
The
a
Little
question.
Mermaid.
Yes.
So, for example, whenever there's a witness testifying for Johnny and one of Amber's attorneys will object to strike some of that statement from evidence and the judge agrees, how does that work? Because the jury already heard the statement and I feel like they're affected by it and their emotions are affected regardless of whether it's stricken from evidence. So
great
how does that
question.
end up working?
How do you
Can't
put the
unring
genie
that.
back in the bottle?
Can't unring that
you
bell.
You don't put it back, but the instruction to the jury is you disregard the statement that she just said or he just said that is highly inflammatory, highly prejudicial, and probably non-responsive. So the attorney who's asking the question needs to hop up quick, non-responsive objection, get it right in the middle of the sentence before it gets out of the bottle. But it will be
that's
used on
also-
appeal. It
and
will
that's
be an
also-
appeal issue.
But realistically, that's something you have to deal with pre-trial and a motion in limine.
Yeah,
And you're attempting to guarantee that the judge will exclude any statements or evidence related to X, Y, and Z before the trial so that it
Right.
never gets heard in front of the jury, which could create a mistrial.
Great. And I will
So-
tell you, doing many trials, even the motion in limine, being on top of your game and trying to catch that when a witness is testifying, it is extremely difficult. And these attorneys are doing a great job. But I saw Johnny Depp's attorney objecting to the direct testimony of Amber Heard, and hearsay was a big question that came up. Objection, hearsay. objection leading, you can't lead a witness on direct, and you can't direct or lead that witness to a yes or no answer. So that's objectionable. And hearsay is very hard to explain, but hearsay is basically an out-of-court statement that is used in court. So that's just
to prove the truth
There's
of
no
the
Men in
matter
Black
asserted.
device to erase the jury's memory.
Oh, I like that.
So you got to hop up, and then in addition to pretrial motions in limine, you've heard the lawyers ask, "Can we approach?" And then they put the white noise on,
Yes.
and blank out everything, so they can go talk to the judge about what's going on,
Correct.
and maybe handle some of that stuff outside the earshot of the jury.
That's right. That's right. So now you two are watching the trial, I understand?
Yes, we are.
Okay. Tell me what you find. Well, first of all, what do you find most credible about Johnny Depp and less credible about Amber Heard? That's a leading question.
So I think Johnny Depp
Hostile
just comes
witness.
across more credible because of all of the other witness statements that back up his stories, like his drivers, security guards, his nurse, his doctor, and Amber Heard. Her evidence
assistant.
doesn't have really anyone backing her up except for her sister Whitney, because all of her friends are saying, well, Amber told me that he hit her, stuff like that. So they didn't actually witness that happen, which makes her come across way less credible.
That's hearsay.
Objection, hearsay. That's the telling
He
and then
said,
saying,
she said.
that's hearsay.
Objection.
So,
Something.
right. So you're learning a lot about the trial. Hey, I heard about the psychologist that came on yesterday testifying that he hadn't examined Johnny Depp, but he saw his movies and interviews and is making
you make
some
his
kind
face?
of opinions and conclusions.
Was that the
There
Back
it
to the
is.
Future
Oh, my-
guy?
yeah.
He's
Oh,
got
my
gifts
God.
galore. This guy looks more cray than Amber Heard.
So what do you think of him? What did you think of that testimony, caller?
Little Mermaid, you still with us?
Mermaids.
10,000.
She gown.
She gone. Okay. Well, thank you for calling. You know what? We
Yeah,
got to have
thank
you.
you.
We got to have you two back on the show. Oh, they're
I
coming
wanted to
back.
ask,
Swim on up to the studio.
I wanted to ask them,
I know, I want
would
them
you
to
lie
come in.
under oath for your sister?
Yeah. Oh, that would be a good thing.
Are they
Would
there?
you?
Would I lie under oath for my sister?
For Ariel
Yeah.
or Amanda, whichever one you
There's
want.
only one right answer.
I think I would.
Atta
Oh,
girl.
there, see, there you go. There you go.
Atta
I
girl.
think
Family
if-
first.
I believed her, what she was telling me, I would probably follow her. I'd follow her.
And if you were in the jury,
I
how would
see.
you?
She would
how
believe her
you view-
sister because she
Right.
knows her sister.
So
and
she
believes
would be
her sister
lying.
to be
Would
She'd
you-
be telling the truth.
Right.
No
Would
matter
you-
how crazy it is.
If you were sitting in the jury, would you believe or not believe the sister's testimony? Based upon the fact
Thanks
that
for
you would.
answering our questions.
Oh wait,
They don't-
we're
they don't
we're
wanna
okay.
answer
Wait, don't leave. We want to have
okay.
you on the show because when the trial concludes, we're going to have the epilogue of discussion over the Amber Heard and Johnny Depp trial, and we're gonna dissect it for our audience.
Yeah, so swim on over to the studio.
I'll be sure to tune in.
Thank you
Yeah,
for
please,
calling.
Please do.
Alrighty.
Swim on over. To the
Swim on
studio.
over.
That's
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey,
Okay.
Bruce, a follow-up, or both of you, a follow-up on the witness questioning. What's the effect of not asking to strike? So objection leading or objection hearsay, they've started to answer the question, they don't ask to strike. What's the effect
It's
of
in
that?
evidence.
Waive it.
I
You
think
waive
it's
it.
waived. It's in
It's a
evidence.
waived error.
Yeah.
So even if the judge sustains the objection, if they don't ask to strike, the jury
Right.
can still consider what's been
Yes.
said in
yes,
response.
I think so. Yeah, strike
Yes.
it from the record so it's not part of the record if it's going to go up on appeal.
If the
And,
judge doesn't rule on it, you don't get an
yeah.
appeal on that. There's
Yeah.
no issue, no harm.
And when
Yeah.
you say you can't lead on direct, that means if I call Bruce Tuff to the stand, I can't say, isn't it true you're wearing a bolo tie today because you're an expert horseman? I have to say, why are you wearing a bolo tie today?
Objection leading. That's
Well,
right.
okay.
And
the
there's
idea is
here's
that-
a real simple way to do it. If you go, do you, did you, that's leading someone into a yes or no response. What, where, why, when, how are the open-ended questions that are. That's how it's done. A real simple
Bruce's
start.
best. What if anything?
Yeah,
That's
what?
the phrase. Your phrase. What if anything?
Oh yeah. What if anything did you wear today?
Yes. Okay, I want to do real quick by the numbers, if I can, before we put you on the hot seat,
Please do
Bruce.
that.
away.
Yes.
By the numbers, trial by TikTok. There's a video of testimony that's garnered 45 million views between TikTok and YouTube. It's Johnny Depp's lawyer objecting to Amber Heard's testimony. In a little verses by the numbers, there were 100 tweets with a bunch of likes and comments during the original Johnny Depp defamation lawsuit against The Sun in the UK. There were 5 times the social media traction during this trial. Some of the media outlets that are covering the trial have seen their viewership increase by 50x during this trial. The hashtag Justice for Johnny Depp has 1,600 posts on Facebook with 7 million interactions. Justice for Amber, 16 posts, 10,000 interactions.
That's scary. My understanding is she was removed from Aquaman as well.
Whoa,
That
that's-
her contract has been canceled for
She-
the Aquaman.
she's
due to
done.
allegations of assault. All
That's
right?
part of her counterclaim, which we're going to get to on the hot seat with Bruce. First at Justice for Johnny on TikTok, 5 billion views. Justice for Amber, 21 million.
That's scary.
Whoa.
Yeah. Johnny Depp is winning.
It just proves
Whoa.
half of the battle in any court proceeding is the optics, the theater, the theatrics that you present. And if you look prepared and like you know what you're doing, people are going to like you, even if your case isn't as strong as the other person's.
Yeah. Good observation. Boy, those statistics, those are amazing. That's,
Yeah,
that's
I mean,
incredible. when
this
I'm
case
thinking
is
about
blowing up. In the age of the internet, this trial has gotten more attention than any other trial. It's the #1 trending topic, #1 Google search over Russia, over Elon Musk. It's beating everything. People are obsessed with this trial.
Yeah.
And Johnny Depp is winning the war of public opinion.
Elon even got pulled into this trial slightly.
He did. He's a related party.
He is.
So you know what they missed on this whole thing, because Carlos and I were talking about it right before the show. When they had the O.J. Simpson trial, that was live testified network TV, and everybody covered it. And we were watching in our office. This one, it was like you got to look for it.
Yeah.
You can't find it. They missed the boat. Can you imagine the advertising revenue they'd get on this thing? It'd be outrageous. I mean, it's just incredible. And just the fact that they're live streaming it, if they had some kind of copyright over the trial itself, it would be all proprietary. But now it's open season for everybody.
Yep.
Yeah, the circuit
Yes.
court actually has a special web page built for this trial to give people information about it. They've got all the exhibits posted online, which we'll put a link in the chat to. In fact, I think we've got it up right now. We'll post that for our viewers. You can look at each and every exhibit that's been submitted by both parties. There's links to it online. Amber Heard's are all videos. Johnny Depp, he has a lot of paper exhibits, PDFs that are available.
I didn't know he was a junior.
He is, yeah.
didn't know
He's John Christopher Depp II. His pops was also Johnny Depp.
Very good. Very
John
interesting.
Christopher
Depp.
Depp the
Second.
Second,
Okay.
yeah. Don't call him Junior.
Okay,
He's
don't-
the Roman numeral
He's the
2.
two. Okay.
Yeah. I wanted to ask you, why is this trial being televised? You mentioned it's not on live TV, but it is on courtroom TV. It is streaming. Why does the media get to attend and broadcast it all over the world? Why aren't the doors shut?
I think
Every state-
Fairfax County, Virginia, is allowing open court access and open TV. Texas, no, you don't get that in Houston, and you can't get it in Montgomery County. So, yeah,
The judge
Oh.
issued
Open
a s-
Courts Act?
yeah. I believe it's up to the
Basically, the judge gets to pick.
judge.
Yes.
The judge. I don't think it's exclusive to any jurisdiction, but I think it's the judge's pick, right? So
It is.
so.
Yeah,
Okay.
she
Court
issued a
aspect, yeah.
special media order in this case allowing specific access to members of the media. There's actually a media application on the court's website to be able to attend the trial. There's a pool where you can get drafted into the courtroom to cover the trial. I thought about applying, but then...
Yeah,
I'm not gonna
that'd be
go through
so
it.
The right
fun.
credentials?
Yeah, we could have the legal fix
Weren't you born there?
at the trial. I
You were-
was. I
you
was
were-
born in
born there.
Fairfax
Yeah.
Hospital.
So Fairfax, Virginia is a very elitist part of Virginia, by the way. A lot of the people from Washington, D.C. live there.
Yes.
High property values. And what else is it? Georgetown, is that in Fairfax or not? It's outside?
That's in D.C. That
That's
was
in
one of our
DC.
rivals at GW in
GW,
D.C.
that's what I was thinking of. I
Yeah.
was thinking of GW.
Yeah,
Yes.
another
A GW
elitist
graduate.
institution.
Yes,
Yeah.
there you go.
GW.
Does anyone know
Yeah.
why the trial was held in Fairfax?
Ooh.
Venue, gosh, were they living there? They had to live there, right? No, tell me.
No,
BW
the
knows.
Washington,
Oh.
The Washington Post servers are located in Fairfax.
WAPO.
And so
Online
when
edition of
she
WAPO.
posted the slander article, as he's called it, saying, or well, I guess it's libel because it's written, but she posted the article, or the article was published through their servers in Fairfax, and so they were able to establish sufficient minimum contacts there, even after they attempted to move it to California. Amber Heard's team.
Very strange. They're litigating in Fairfax.
They wanted it to be there because Virginia actually has lesser anti-SLAPP rules than California, and so the anti-SLAPP case against them would have been way more harsh. And as we've learned, you jack with the anti-SLAPP,
Man.
and
California and Texas, and the way anti-SLAPP goes here, you make some statement, they file an anti-SLAPP against you, then you got to pay their attorney's fees. So it provides all these defamatory statements to be blasted out everywhere and not stopped. So
And this is a great venue for it. Not only the Johnny Depp trial, but the court has a page called High Profile Cases. They handle a lot of cases like this, so they're used to this. They have a courtroom technology dossier, a plan for advancing courtroom technology. It's 122 pages on how they use the courtroom technology
did
to
you read all
enhance
122?
I skimmed. I
Oh
skimmed
my
it.
God.
He
Most
skimmed the whole thing.
Most of my knowledge came from my wife, who's been paying very close attention to the trial and has shown me a ton of clips, despite my best effort to avoid
Same.
any.
Well, I was trying to figure.
Yeah.
You were in trial Monday. I mean, here it is today, Wednesday. We're doing this live, our special edition of the Legal Fix, Amber Heard, Johnny Depp special episode. And both of you guys know more than I couldn't even. I said, I'm gonna have to carry you guys because I have my 4 daughters telling me about the trial.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
you guys are blowing me away, man.
Yeah.
Came ready.
You
Yeah,
were ready. You
the-
came ready.
the
and you
ladies are
nailed
paying
the-
attention.
Yeah, and you nailed. Oh, the ladies are. That's
Yeah.
it. And you nailed the venue question, BW. Good job.
Well,
Yes,
I thought
he
it was
did.
very interesting how it landed in Virginia. And they originally attempted to move that UK case to the United States. Johnny Depp's team did, and they failed epically. I mean, they tried their
Right.
hardest, but they couldn't get it done. So when they brought this defamation lawsuit, it was all about keeping it out of California.
Oh my.
they
Okay. So
succeeded,
they are some smart lawyers. Okay, we're going to go to. We want to go to. We're going to take a
Let's
break
just-
because we have to do episode 2, and we've got hot seat. This is going to be really
Oh, yeah.
fun.
Oh,
Right?
yeah.
This is going to be fun.
Oh, yeah.
Jerome's going to put us both on the hot seat, and we're going to have Amber Heard, Johnny Depp questions.
I say we don't even take a break. We just run it back on.
Do you want to
Bruce
roll?
on the
Okay.
hot
Okay,
Let's go.
let's-
All right.
throw
Let's
him
do
on
it.
the hot
All
Let's
right.
roll with
Put
it.
your glasses
All right,
on.
I'm ready.
Dude.
I'm ready.
You're in trouble.
Okay, go.
Okay. How do you spell Heard?
HEARD.
Yes. How much is Johnny Depp suing for?
$50 million.
50 million, 3 counts of defamation with the op-ed. How much is Amber Heard counterclaiming?
$100 million.
100 million. Harassment campaign on Twitter. She got fired from Aquaman and lost her L'Oreal sponsorship.
I wouldn't watch her on Aquaman.
No. What
I've
was
never seen it.
what was Johnny Depp's first movie?
21 Jump Street.
B-dub.
Actually-
Willy Wonka.
Nightmare on Elm Street.
Nightmare on-
What
yeah,
movie
Nightmare on
star got him the audition and convinced him to try acting?
The Wolf of Wall Street guy.
Leo.
Leo.
Leonardo
Yeah,
DiCaprio.
Leo.
You got it
Leo
right. Good
DiCaprio.
job.
Close. Nick Cage.
Oh, man.
Nicolas Cage.
Oh.
Okay.
On 21 Jump Street, playing Tom Hansen, how much did Johnny Depp make per episode?
5,000.
45,000 per episode.
Wow.
How much
Either
have Johnny
agents.
Depp movies grossed worldwide for his career?
$2 billion.
10 billion. Johnny Depp's played famous historical characters. Whitey Bulger?
Yes,
Donnie
that was-
Brasco.
he was excellent in that.
Tonto. Fictional ones like Jack Sparrow, Sweeney Todd, and Edward Scissorhands. Which of these characters did Johnny Depp not portray? Willy Wonka, Freddy Krueger, the Mad Hatter.
Freddy Krueger.
Correct.
Very good.
The unhappy couple met on set starring together in what movie?
Oh, God, I knew that, too. I knew that.
I have no idea.
Nightmare on Elm Street.
The Rum Diary.
Yeah. That's
What famous actress did Johnny Depp propose to but never marry?
Kate Moss.
Winona Ryder.
Oh, Winona, I like her. I really like her. A lot of people don't
Yes.
like her, but I like her.
Winona.
And she's great in the Pirates of the Caribbean. She's awesome.
He got a Winona Forever tattoo and changed it to Wino
Did
Forever.
really? Wino forever.
He also had an
Oh.
Amber Heard tattoo and covered that one up as well. He gonna learn one day.
Hey.
How many jurors are deciding Johnny Depp and Amber Heard's fate?
12.
7. You are now off the hot seat.
I'm
You've got
shocked.
plenty more.
That's so weird.
We got plenty more material off the hot seat for now, but we
All
have
right,
a
good.
different.
Okay, go.
We have a different style hot seat. By the
Okay.
way, if you're paying attention to the trial, Kate Moss, who
Yes,
you just mentioned,
yes.
she was on this morning.
Oh.
The
okay.
headline was Johnny Depp did not push me down the stairs.
Oh, right. I know
And
he didn't do that.
Why did Kate Moss get to come in? She wasn't necessarily a related party. In fact, she was not going to be allowed to testify until
Amber brought her up.
Rebuttal witness. She opened the door. That's when they opened the door. She mentioned her name and made a accusation or statement about her thing that happened. She didn't say that.
It was a
that
character
opened the
issue.
door. Yes,
Right,
rebuttal to the testimony of Amber Heard. She's blowing herself up.
Yeah. Johnny Depp was celebrating when he heard that name.
Yeah, he went like
as
this.
was counsel.
He was going. Yeah, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
we're
Now
bringing her
good.
in.
We're bringing her in.
Somebody text
Amber's just a prolific liar.
Yeah,
bad.
she's made a lot of mistakes
Yeah.
during this trial.
Yeah.
So, give you guys a little breather. Whose lawyers are doing a better job in this trial?
Johnny Depp.
You got to give it to Depp's lawyers.
Yeah, I agree with you
What's her
100%.
name? Do you remember her name? Johnny Depp's lawyer.
Camille Cabello?
Yes, that's it. Like her.
Cabello.
I like
yeah,
her.
no, it's close. It's Camille Vasquez. If we can pull up those pictures that I sent Carlos. So, I think Johnny Depp's lawyers are winning because Camille Vasquez looks like Khloe Kardashian.
She does. She does. Khloe Kardashian. I'll take it.
Without all the...
Yeah.
And
Plastic
Amber
surgery.
Heard's lawyer looks like UFC flyweight Patty Pimblett.
Yes.
And we've got a picture of
You
him
have
as well.
Patty
Escalza.
Pimblett. Patty
The
Pimblett.
Scalza. No, I did not have a chance to shop them side by side, but we got
Oh.
pictures
Oh, that's excellent.
in the queue that
Okay.
Carlos can bring up.
Oh, there she is. Yeah.
Yeah,
With her
yeah.
shirt off.
And if we can show Amber's lawyer, you'll see the striking
Yeah.
resemblance.
Cool.
Same haircut
Yeah.
and everything.
Okay, while we're finding it, we're gonna play a little round of Who Am I
Yes,
or Who
let's
Done
do
it.
Who done
There
it?
she
Got
is.
it. There she
Hey,
is.
yeah, okay, Patty Pimblett.
So
Oh
close.
my God,
That's
Jerome,
good. That's
you
really
are
good, Jerome.
remarkable doing that. That is so classic. Yes, you're right.
Represented by it's Patty Pimblett versus Khloe Kardashian. I've got Khloe all day.
God, yeah.
Unfortunately for Amber. Okay, so I'm gonna give several statements. More than several. I've got a lot actually,
Okay.
and you're gonna both hold up either Johnny Depp
Right.
Or the turd.
or Amber Heard.
I know, Amber Turd. Who said that? Our caller, didn't you?
Who done
Amber
it?
Turd.
Ariel or
That's
Amanda,
that's
yeah.
actually the hashtag that's trending #2 behind Justice for Johnny Depp. Amber Turd.
Oh my God.
Johnny Depp fans are savage.
Here we go.
Okay,
I'm a liar.
I'm going to try to keep score, but this
Okay,
is
all right.
just for bragging
Okay,
rights.
okay, here we
we
go.
can put these guys on the clock.
Okay,
Who
okay.
am I? I was a high school dropout with the full support of my principal. Johnny Depp,
Yes,
that is
okay.
correct. He
Right.
dropped out of high
Yep.
school to become a rock star.
Yep.
I worked as a telemarketer. Johnny Depp.
Oh, damn.
She's too pretty for
Yeah.
that. Huh?
Telemarketers are liars too, so I thought she would be a liar.
Yeah, he's a slick talker. I am the face of a Dior fragrance line.
Oh wait, Johnny Depp.
Woo! Both correct. Johnny Depp, Dior, Heard is behind the fashion brand
He's got
Guess.
he's like a rock star.
Oh, she's
He
behind
is.
the brand
Yeah.
Guess. I'm not doing anything with Guess anymore.
Guess, and
Never.
you have to boycott
Trash,
L'Oreal,
yeah, boycott
too.
dress.
I was the victim of a celebrity nude photo leak.
Dang it.
Yes, Amber Heard.
Yeah, Johnny
Depp.
wouldn't care.
Ain't-
Johnny
ain't-
wouldn't care. It wouldn't even be a leak.
Ain't nobody
I
want to
did
see
on
that.
purpose.
Yeah, people would ignore it.
Yeah.
I've been in 42 career movies. 42 career movies. Oh,
And you know what?
Amber Heard.
And
It
you know
is
what?
Amber Heard.
That's
I'm
40
I'm trying to see.
That's 42 too many, too.
42 minutes.
I'm
42
surprised.
Amber Heard, 85
Yeah,
Johnny
Johnny.
Depp.
Go, Johnny.
42, that's
Go,
42
Johnny.
movies. It is
Johnny.
surprising.
Any more
Johnny.
than Aquaman. And
I-
the Rum Diaries now.
I have the highest grossing film between the two of us, earning 1.1 billion worldwide.
It's got to be Pirates.
Yeah, Pirates. I watched all 4 of the Pirates.
It's got to be one of the Pirates, like Pirates 3.
I watched all 4 of the Pirates.
Amber
together.
Heard.
Oh, Aquaman.
Aquaman,
Look, she didn't get- 'cause you only went
1.1
for 5
billion.
minutes. 5 minutes.
2018
It's because
Warner
that-
Brothers, 1.1
So-
billion. Alice in Wonderland, Johnny Depp,
Yeah.
1.03 billion.
But he
2010
gets-
Walt Disney.
I'm still going. I'm
Interesting.
going with Johnny because
Yeah.
Sydney said during the trial, she said, "Do you want to watch one of the Pirates movies?" I said, "Why watch one? Let's watch all 4."
Yeah.
And
we actually
did.
we
And
watched an Amber Heard movie this week because of the trial. Ruby put it on, and I commented on one of the characters, and Ruby said, "Yeah, that's Amber Heard." I said, I had no idea. Amber Heard looks so much worse during the trial than she has in her movies, and Johnny Depp looks better and less crazy.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
another thing Johnny's
Yeah.
got going
Oh,
for
that
him. He
is.
looks kind of suave. He looks like somebody cut his ponytail off with
Yeah,
scissors.
right.
But he does look better than he's looked in his movies. Amber Heard looks much worse. She's not aged
We
well.
want Carlos to grow his tail back. He's going to do that
top
for
knot
us.
guy.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
want his top
he's gotta
knot.
get his
Carlos
Johnny
is growing
Depp
it back.
going.
We're going to do a Johnny Depp with him.
Okay, staying on Whodunit.
Yeah.
A Change.org petition about my role in a movie earned 3.5 million signatures. 3.5 million signatures. It is Amber Heard.
No,
Remove
no.
Amber Heard from
We
Aquaman
don't
2.
want to ever see her
3.5
again.
million.
We do not want to see her
Justice for Johnny. Reinstate him as Captain Jack Sparrow. Has
yes.
728,000, approaching a million.
again. Oh, good.
So more negativity for Amber than positivity for Johnny.
Yes.
My lawyer was dismissed for leaking information to the media.
It's gotta be her.
Johnny Depp. Adam Waldman leaked
Oh,
confidential
that's
information
right.
to the media.
Yes, that's right.
that.
That's
I have
right.
spent over $6 million in legal fees.
Oh, that is.
Amber Heard.
I'm
She
getting crushed
testified
here.
in court, spent over $6 million in legal
I like
fees.
the testimony
Is that
about
why
her
she-
when she said, out of the $7 million that you pledged to charity, did you pay? Did you?
Yeah.
Did you pay that money?
Yeah, I pledged it.
I
I pledged it. They argued about that all day.
I pledged the money. No, did you
She
give
had
any
to
money
spend it
to
on
charity
legal
like you
fees.
promised that you did? I pledged
Speaking
it.
of pledges, after our divorce, I donated $100,000 to the ACLU.
Johnny had to do it.
Did he?
No, you can't switch now.
I'm
Johnny
switching.
had to do it.
Johnny Depp.
He did. All right.
Amber Heard pledged
her
7
behalf.
mil. ACLU's received 1.3, 350,000 from Amber, 100,000 from Johnny, 350,000 from an anonymous donor, and 500,000 from Elon Musk.
Yes, right. She's good at getting other people to pay for her debts. Yeah.
I threw pots and pans at my spouse. Amber Heard
Yay.
admitted to throwing pots and
Yay.
pans. Johnny was accused of throwing a phone at his wife's head.
And she threw a whiskey bottle or vodka bottle at him too.
And cut off his finger.
Yeah. And
I
she
was
says,
arrested.
I didn't do that.
I was arrested for domestic violence for striking my girlfriend. Amber Heard.
Oh wait, no, I knew that because it was
Dang
his
it.
girlfriend. I remember that. Yes, I get
Amber
that one
Heard
back.
came out in 2010. I've been
Abby's-
arrested all over the world in at least 3 countries.
I'm gonna go with Johnny. I just feel like Johnny's the guy.
Johnny is the guy. London, NYC, and Vancouver, to name a few.
There we go.
My spouse claimed...
He admits to that though.
Yes.
Cop
My
to it.
spouse claimed I shite the bed, so I blamed it on the dog.
Oh, this is so bad.
Amber Heard said it was her
Dude.
Yorkie.
The dude did that. Oh, that dog couldn't.
I
let a
was
dog
caught
like that.
falsifying government documents to sneak my dogs into Australia.
I'm gonna go. I really think it's her, but yeah.
Amber Heard. I was slammed for whitewashing and cultural appropriation after claiming to be a Cherokee Indian. But I am not.
But then I should.
Yanni
Yeah,
Depp, he
she's
played
too white.
Tonto,
Oh,
and he
did
said he
he?
was Cherokee, and the Cherokee Indian said, "Nish, nish, you're not one of us.
Johnny, niche,
You're
niche,
you're not a
niche,
last of the
Johnny.
Mohicans."
You're,
just
Elizabeth
Tonto.
Warren. He must have been getting advice from Elizabeth Warren.
In 2016,
Okay.
I was sued for $10 million by my producers for making unauthorized changes to the script.
Last one. We're about done. How many more do you have, Jer?
3.
It
Okay,
was
go,
her.
go, go.
Amber Heard.
Wow,
Okay.
I'm losing it this
Quick.
bad.
I was insanely jealous of my spouse's co-stars and called them names like Pumpkinhead and Potato Head.
Oh God.
Gotta be
that's
the turd.
Gotta be the turd.
John.
What?
Johnny Depp called
my.
Leonardo DiCaprio Pumpkinhead and Channing
Why?
Tatum
What?
Potato Head.
What?
I call my spouse by the pet name Slim.
My spouse. I would say.
I call my spouse by the pet name Slim. Oh, sorry. I got
got
the wrong
it.
one up.
Oh.
Johnny Depp calls
Hey,
Amber Heard
okay.
Slim and has a
Slim.
tattoo.
Oh,
Last
yeah.
question.
Has a
In
tattoo of her? Oh, okay.
Slim, in 2021, I had a child with a surrogate.
Oh, she did.
Did she?
She did,
Yes,
in fact.
that was with his
Amber
girl-
Heard.
That's with the girlfriend, so I get that one too. All right,
Yes,
got it.
Amber Heard.
Oh my
surrogate.
gosh, way to go. Gosh, Jerome, you've outdone
is
yourself.
good.
This
This
is
is very good,
outstanding.
yeah.
This is all
Thank
the
you.
golden boy. Hey, thank you for watching The Legal Fix. This is our special edition, the Amber Heard, Johnny Depp episode, brought to you by the Tough Law Firm. Hey, if you have a legal question you want to talk about hearsay or any court issues you have, call us at 281-681-0808. Visit toughlawfirm.net or hit us up on the comments. Catch past episodes and highlights on our website and on YouTube channel. Connect with us on Facebook and Insta, and listen to us on Spotify at 91.1 The Boss Live. Usually we're Fridays at noon, but we're live today, Wednesday at noon, because I'm going to go to a big wedding. I'm the big deal, Bruce Tuff, with Boy Wonder, Brandon Riley, and the golden boy who really outdid himself today, Jeremy Hall. See you next week on The Legal Fix,
Congratulations,
man.
Madison.
Hey,
Yes,
Madison,
congrats.
birthday. Wedding.
she's getting
Wedding. Well, she had her birthday. She had her 30th birthday on last Saturday. So next
Wow.
she-
Congrats.
so Saturday birthday,
Madison
30th,
month.
and now she's getting married. So
He did
there we
right
go.
there. You got to line them
Yeah.
up so you can remember the
Oh, I know. This is
anniversaries.
gonna be
They gotta
epic.
be close together.
Madison, we love you. We'll see you in Nashville.